Hello everybody. So today we're gonna be working on we're gonna be starting with the number system. Okay, so number one, look at the table below. Which object is the highest? Justify your answer. Okay, so this is sort of obvious, it's the airplane because it's 10,000 feet. Okay, negative 500 feet is obviously lower than 10,000, so it's 100 feet lower than 10,000 feet, and it's asking for the highest. So the answer for this one is airplane. Number two, which city is the warmest? That answer would be Sydney because it's just the bigger number. That's basically what the number system is. Just find the bigger number. Number three, refer to question number two. Which city is the coldest? That'd be New York, -5. Because -5 is lower than -3. Uh, yeah, so New York is the lowest temperature, so it's the coldest. Which city is 9 degrees Celsius colder than Sydney? You just subtract 9 from 6, so you get -3 degrees Celsius, and that's Paris. Okay, so on to the next section, which is expressions and equations. Identify the sum in the expression x minus 3 over y plus 6. Okay, so it's asking to find the sum. Keyword here is sum. Okay, sum as in addition sign. Okay, sum as in plus. This would be the sum. Okay, over here x minus 3, this is the difference. Okay, but what they're asking for is the sum, so the answer is y plus 6. Okay, number two, identify the factor in the expression 3x minus 2 6, or 3x minus 2 times 6. Okay, so the answer here is 6 because you're trying to find the factor. Okay, and you factor 6 into 3x and then 6 into -2. So the factor here would be 6. All right, one more. Find the value of the expression 2x plus 3 for x equals 2.5. So you just replace x for 2.5, and then you just solve. Okay, so then 2 times 2.5 is 5. 5 plus 3, and then that's just 8. So our answer is 8. Okay, on to the next section. And the next section is expressions and equations continued. Solve for x in the expression below. Okay, this is just algebra. You subtract 4 from both sides, so you get x equals 9. This is x plus 14 equals x plus 14 equals 22. And then you subtract 14 from both sides, and then you get x is equal to 8. Oh, that was number 6, my bad. Anyways. Okay, number 2. 5 minus x equals 11. You would negative x equals 6 because you subtract 6. You subtract 5 from both sides, and then you multiply both sides by -1. You get x is equal to -6. Okay, one more, and then we'll go on to the next section. Let's do number 3. This one's just pretty simple. You subtract 2 from both sides, so it's x plus 2 minus 2 equals x, and 7 minus 2 equals 5. So x equals 5. Okay, the next section is word problems. Mr. Jonathan creates 35 math quiz problems in 5 hours for the upcoming math pop quiz. How many questions does Mr. Jonathan create in 3 hours? Okay, so when it's asking questions like this, what you want to do is find out not 3 hours. First, you want to find out how many math problems he can find out in 1 hour, okay? And to find that, you just need to divide 35 by 5. So if he can create 35 math problems in 5 hours, then in 1 hour, he can create 7 math problems, okay? And if he can create 7 math problems in 1 hour, then in 3 hours, he can create 21 problems, okay? And that's your answer, 21. Okay, number 2. There's 72 apple trees in the orchard arranged in 9 equal rows. How many apple trees are there in each row? Okay, so think about it like this. There are 9. Imagine that's 9, okay? But there are 9 equal rows, and in each row there is the same number, okay? So there are 9 rows and they all have the same number, and it equals 72 apple trees in total. Okay, and then it's just algebra. You just divide by 9 and you get x equals 8. So the answer is 8 apple trees. Number 3. Amber had 24 guests at her birthday party last year, and she bought 18 liters of juice for a guest. This year, she is expecting 40 guests. How many liters of juice does she need to buy for a birthday party this year? Okay, so you can do what I said before, find how many liters of juice she would need for one guest, okay? But in this case, it would be probably simpler to find a common fraction, or LCM, least common multiple, or no, GCM. You want to find the greatest common factor for 24 and 18, and that would be 6, okay? That'd be 6. So you divide both sides by 6, and you get 4 and 3, okay? So then for 4 guests, you want 3 liters of juice, which means when you're expecting 40 guests, you just want to multiply this by 10 to get 40 guests, and then you multiply this by 10 as well to get 30 liters, okay? So that's your answer, 30 liters of juice. All right, one more. Nick decided to go on a diet. He lost 3 pounds every week. If he keeps losing weight at a constant rate, how many weeks does he need to lose 18 pounds? Okay, so let's see. You lose 3 pounds every week. Okay, so X would be the number of weeks. And how many weeks does he need to lose 18 pounds? Okay, and it's the same thing. Just divide. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So then X equals 6, which means it's 6 weeks. Okay, and if you look at it, then if he loses 3 pounds a week for 6 weeks, that's just 3 times 6, which is 18 pounds lost. So it all checks out in the end. Okay, that's going to be it for this week. Have a nice day.